Dear students, today I want to discuss one theorem, areas of similar triangles. So the theorem is that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Very mostly. So this one given. So we consider ABC is a triangle and PQR another triangle. Then areas of this and this equal to ratio of their square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now we want to prove this. So proof, let triangle ABC and triangle PQ, let triangle ABC and triangle PQR be two triangles such that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Let ABC and PQR be two triangles such that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. To prove area triangle ABC by area triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to AC by PR whole square. So we want to prove this. Ratio of their areas equal to square of their ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So this is our theorem. Two similar triangles is equal to square of their ratio of their corresponding sides. So ratio of their areas equal to square of their ratio square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. We have to prove this. So we draw AM perpendicular BC and PN perpendicular QR. These two are perpendicular. Now area of triangle ABC, in short form we write AR triangle ABC, equal to half into base into altitude. Area of triangle ABC, base, half into base into altitude. So half, this is half, base is BC and altitude is AM, height. Again area of triangle PQR equal to, in short form, this triangle PQR equal to half into base is QR and altitude is PN. This one again. Now if we find area ratio of these areas, area of triangle ABC by area triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC we get half into BC into AM by half into QR into PN. We get this. So this implies area triangle ABC by area triangle PQR equal to BC by QR into AM by PN. This is number 1 we consider. So we get areas of this, and by this we get this one. Again, now from triangle, this triangle and this triangle, triangle ABM and triangle PQN, we have triangle ABM and PQN, we have this angle equal to this angle. Why? Because these two triangles are similar. Angle B equal to angle Q. Since triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, these two are similar, and angle M equal to angle N. This angle equal because each equal to 90 degree. Since each equal to 90 degree. So what we get? Therefore, triangle ABM similar triangle PQN by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. So these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then we can write AM by PN equal to AB by PQ. This is number 2 we consider. So again, so these two triangles are similar, so we get this by this and this by this. We get this. Again, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is given according to the question. These two triangles are similar, so we can write, if these two are similar, then we can write AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. AC by PR or CA by RP we can write. So we can write this by this by this, AC by PR or CA by, we can write CA by RP. This we can write this. So this is number 3 we consider. We get this one 3. Therefore, what we get now, 1 implies in one area triangle ABC by area triangle PQR, this equal to BC by QR. BC by QR into AM by PN. This one. From 1 we get this. Now 1 implies area of ABC, area of PQR, we get this. And BC by QR BC by QR we can write AB by PQ. This is AB by PQ. And AM by PN. AM by PN. AM by PN, AB by PQ. This is also AB by PQ. So this result AB by PQ we get, this is from 3. This is using 3. BC by QR, this value we putting AB by PQ, we get from result 3 using 3, and AM by PN, AM by PN, AB by PQ, using 3 and 2. By using 3 and 2 we get this. So we can write AB by PQ whole square. This like number, this is whole square. So similarly we can write BC by AB by PQ whole square, we get AB by PQ whole square. If we replacing this value, taking these two triangles similar, then we get this by this. Again we get another relation. In this way we can write similarly, therefore, so from this we get this. Now using 3, using 3 we get area triangle ABC by area triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to CA by RP whole square. Because all of this equal AB by PQ, then AB by PQ equal to BC by QR also. In place of this, you putting this one also, and this equal to this also, so all of these are equal. And this is our proof. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangle, their ratios is equal to E square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. E square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Hence proof. This is the proof. Very easy solution. So now we consider exercise 6.4. In this exercise, given problem number 1, let triangle ABC and DEF are similar and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF equal to 15.4 cm, find BC. Now we consider ABC, this is the triangle, DEF, this is another triangle, this area is 64 cm square, this area is 121 cm square, and given EF equal to 15.4 cm, find BC. This is our problem. Now what are given? Solution is start. Given that area triangle ABC, this is 64 cm square, area triangle DEF equal to 121 cm square. Also given EF equal to 15.4 cm. To find BC. BC equal to what? We have to find BC. Now we know that area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square equal to BC by EF whole square equal to CA by FD whole square. This is by similarity theorem. If these two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas equal to square of the areas of their corresponding sides. We know this. So this implies area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF equal to our requirement EF and BC. So we consider this pair. So this is BC by EF whole square you consider, because these two are no need, only you have to find BC and EF, we get this. So all of this equal, we consider this and this equal. Now area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square and this is 121 centimeter square, and BC not given but EF given. EF is 15.4 whole square. Now 64 means we can write 8 and 121 is, this is 11, this whole square equal to BC 15.4 whole square. This implies 8 by 11 equal to BC by 15.4. We get this. So if we taking root over, then we get this one. We get plus minus, but this is length cannot be negative, no need to write plus minus. So this implies BC equal to 8 by 11 into 15.4. So BC equal to, we cancelling this 1.4. 11 ones are 11, 4, 11 fours are 44, and we get 8 into 1.4. So BC equal to, this is 8 fours are 32, 1 and 3, 11, 11.2 this. Therefore BC equal to 11.2 cm, and this is our answer. So dear students, I think this solution is very easy. No one can say this solution is difficult. Very easy, just using this formula we can easily find this result. So if you are feeling easy, then please like this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.